Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to Young Family in our YouTube channel. Today is October 10th, 2021. In today's video, let's learn how to grow rosemary using potted rosemary. Stay tuned. Hi guys, check out right here. This is the rosemary plant. I got this rosemary plant in local 99 cents only store. Actually, I found this plant in the vegetable section. I only spent $1 for this amazing plant. Actually, I once checked online in Home Depot, in Garden Center. If you really want to buy some rosemary, the size is similar to this one, probably you have to spend $10 to get this plant. So for me, it is really a good deal to get this plant just to spend for $1. As you can see here, this plant is pretty healthy, pretty fresh. I think all the stems and leaves are pretty tender because it can be used in your recipe to add some flavors. So let me remove the plastic bag. You see, it's beautiful, beautiful plant. I can smell very strong scent from this plant. The smell looks like lavender. Actually, I just cut some stems and leaves from our complex. And this is lavender on my right hand side. You see, you can compare. They're both herbs, very strong scent. Actually, the scent I smell is pretty similar to lavender. Just a couple of years ago, I once saw some other people grow rosemary in the ground. I was curious, then I know that plant is rosemary. Actually, to be honest, I have never grown rosemary before. So before I make this video, I did some search on the website, so I learned something about rosemary. I'd like to share with you in this video. Rosemary is upright evergreen plant. It can grow 24 to 36 inches tall, so it is attractive and beautiful landscape plant. Rosemary is kind of herb. You can harvest tender stems and leaves and use it right away in many different kind of recipes to add flavors. Rosemary is originally native to Mediterranean, so it is drought tolerant when it is mature. Rosemary is also frost tolerant, so you can grow this plant in some cool or cold area. Rosemary is very suitable to grow in the containers or in the ground. Rosemary prefers to grow in a spot with full sun, with well-drained soil. Okay, let's go and get a pot and get some potting mix ready. Okay, I'm going to choose this pot. This pot diameter is 8 inches. I think the water is about 2 to 3 gallons. And the potting mix, I'm going to use this one for palm, cactus, and citrus. This potting mix is well-drained soil. Let me show you. You see here, it's pretty good for rosemary. And also, I'm going to add a little bit garden soil. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken manure to enrich the potting mix. So let's get started. So guys, I already prepared the potting mix. So I'm going to put some at the bottom of this container. And also I'm going to add a little bit small rock to provide good drainage. Add more. Okay, let me get the plant. So I'm going to, this is a very tiny pot. I'm going to squeeze a little bit. So this time I'm not going to separate them. I just put them together. hard. Okay. Check out right here. The root system. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I don't want to separate it. Otherwise, it caused a lot of damage to this rosemary plant. Actually, I don't think this plant is mature. It's pretty tiny, actually. So I would rather let it grow and grow to mature. Actually, this pot size is perfect for this plant. So I just put it in the middle. Dip a little bit. Put more potting mix. So here, it's beautiful, beautiful plant. Hi guys, check out right here. I already finished transplanting of rosemary to this bigger container. Then I'm going to water this plant. After that, I'm going to put this plant in the shade, let it recover, maybe for 1 or 2 weeks. If everything looks good, I'm going to put this plant in the sun, just to receive full sun. So later I'm going to update you guys if everything looks good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.